Welcome back to our channel. Today we are comparing two graphics cards from MSI, the RTX 3060 Gaming X and the AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT. We'll be breaking down each card's performance, features, and value for money so you can make an informed decision. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Both cards have solid gaming performances, but if you're after high-resolution gaming, then the 3060 is the one for you, as it has more video memory, a faster memory interface, and a higher maximum resolution. However, if you're happy with 1080p and 1440p games, the 6600 XT will give you great frame rates with less power consumption. The RTX 3060 has DLSS and ray tracing support, which may be important to some people. Additionally, the card has DisplayPort X3 and an HDMI 2.1 port, allowing multiple monitors to be connected with high resolutions. On the other hand, the 6600 XT has a lower power consumption and has a slightly higher boost clock speed. The AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT is priced at $299, making it the cheaper option, whereas the MSI RTX 3060 Gaming X is priced at $379, which may be a bit too expensive for some people. However, the RTX 3060 offers better performance and more features than the 6600 XT. That concludes our comparison between the MSI RTX 3060 Gaming X and the AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT. The 3060 is a great option if you're looking for high-resolution gaming, while the 6600 XT is a solid choice for people who want great frame rates while using less power. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your priorities and budget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.